So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Now TV stick remote not working, pairing batteries and dash reset guide. So fix one is power cycle the devices. Remove the batteries from your Now TV remote, unplug the power cable from your Now TV stick, then wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then plug the power cable back in. Wait until the home screen fully load on your TV screen. Reinsert the batteries into the remote and wait 30 seconds for them to reconnect. Second fix is check and replace batteries. Replace with a new pair of alkaline batteries. Ensure correct alignment of batteries according to plus and minus polarity marking. Inspect metal battery spring for white powdery corrosion of residue. Clean terminal with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol if needed. Third fix is repair the remote. Open the battery cover and locate the small pairing button inside the compartment. Press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. Look for the pairing light on the remote to begin flashing. Leave the remote alone for 30 seconds while it scans and link to your Now TV stick. Fourth fix is clear obstructions. Ensure no physical obstructions are in front of the Now TV stick. Move Wi-Fi router to reduce signal interference. Relocate heavy electronics that may disrupt the signal. Fifth fix is use your phone as a temporary remote. Download the Roku Remote Control app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Now TV device. Open the app and select your Now TV device. Use your phone to navigate or access the setting menu. Thanks for watching.